Check this out. This is a project that I've been working for quite some time. It's a bunch of nodes to generate trees. Now, this project started even before the landscape project, but I've been neglecting it for quite a bit. But recently, I have some time to invest on this project to finally bring it close to completion. And as you can see, here is a test that I've been making. This is just one of the many tests that I've been making. But yeah, this is a test on a version that is close to completion, and I don't think there will be a lot of changes from now on. The final product will have some changes, but I don't think it's going to be too different from this. Once the project is finished, I'm going to release this on my Gumroad as well as Blender Market. And I'm going to make another tutorial that show you how to use these nodes. But yeah, for now, it's just a demo. Okay, stay tuned for the final release.